gumawa ng pineapple upside down kasi ang pineapple upside down, yung butter na pinaka-cake niya, pinaka-cake niya is butter cake. Kung bakit siya pineapple upside down, dito sa iwet nito, may pineapple siya. Tapos, ilagay mo sa ibabaw yung butter cake. Pag naluto siya, balik na rin. Kaya siya, pineapple upside down. It's as simple as that. But, the mixture is butter cake. So, once you know how to follow the procedure of the banana cake, masusundan ninyo ang pineapple upside down, majera cake, fruit cake, although there are, may pagkakaiba yon, but at least 90% is the same ang procedure niya. Of course, a carrot cake, you have carrot. It's as simple as that. Okay? So, mapapansin ninyo sa ating recipe, this is for Filipinos. Okay? Sa banana cake, pag si amo ang bibigyan ninyo, huwag vegetable oil ang gamitin ninyo. Palitan ninyo ang vegetable oil ng unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. Ang kapalit ng 1/4 cup na vegetable oil is 40 grams 4 ounces of unsalted butter. Kung wala kayong 4 ounces sa inyong kiluhan is 110 grams. O kaya bumili kayo ng butter na unsalted na 200, hatiin ninyo. It has to be unsalted. Kasi pag salted ang gagamitin nyo, lasang-lasa ang asin. Okay, so, since as I said, Pilipinas ang ating recipe is vegetable oil kasi po mahal ang butter sa Pilipinas. So, vegetable oil or corn oil will do. So, sa ating procedure is mash the bananas. It's already done. Mashed. Sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda together. Okay? Eto na yon. Kapag ang ingredients ninyo is asking for baking soda, baking powder, and harina, always sift it together. Magkakasama yan. At least twice. Para sigurado kayo na yung harina at saka baking powder is mixed siya ng husto. Or else, yung cake ninyo is tabingi. Dito medyo maalsa kasi nandito lahat yung baking powder. Hindi siya nahalo ng husto. And it's hard to mix baking soda and baking powder because it is too powdery. Masyado siyang fine. Lulutang yan sa tubig. So, to avoid that, halo nyo siya sa inyong harina, and this one is already done. Okay? Ginawa na niya kanina yan. Okay, so we are into procedure number 3. Beat sugar and oil in a large bowl, then add eggs one at a time. Okay? Di may ano pa tayo? Potato. Potato. Kasi yung bago natin potato. Bakingaan. Okay, so oil and sugar. Kapag butter ang gamitin nyo, of course, sugar and butter. Ihalo lang natin ito. I-mix lang natin ito. And as you can see, ang asukal hindi mag-melt sa mantika. Pero mag-melt siya sa butter because butter has milk. So, i-melt niya yung asukal. But in here, no. Okay? So, that's how it is. Then, add egg one at a time. Before adding egg, i-break ninyo ang egg sa separate na bowl before adding it, or else, pag sira yung itlog ninyo, at inireksyon ninyo, panibagong ingredients. Magsasayang kayo ng ingredients. Okay? Mix it lang yan. Okay? Do that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. So, 1 teaspoon of vanilla is already here. Okay. Ngayon, ipupunan natin itong ang ating harina. At saka natin hahaluin ng dahan-dahan. Remember, hindi kayo naghahalo ng biko. Kaya dahan-dahan lang siya. Ha? Or else magiging pudding ang inyong banana cake. Kasi ma-overmix siya.
Para maging pinapala sa akin. Na-overmix na yung lap blender ang gamit.
Ay, hindi. Kaya pala. Mas maganda kapag dating sa arena, i-fold mo lang siya. At saka don't overbeat.
Maganda tayo blender ko kaya lahat.
Kayo nagkahalo na ba yung parang nagkahalo ng biko, ha?
Ganun nga po ako naghalo.
Mabigat ang biko.
Together na yan. Ito sila tatlo. Kaya nga, 2 times.
Isip ninyo yung baking soda. Yan.
Ano na campus flour.
Ito. Flour, baking soda, baking powder. Pa rin kasi sift lahat siya.
Ganyan dear.
Together.
Ano na?
Sift nyo together yan.
Ito na 2 times.
2 times is possible. Mapapansin ninyo, you will encounter a recipe of banana cake na naghahanap siya ng self-raising flour. Those are the modern recipe na pinuha mo yun nandun? Na extra? Kasi pinagaan ang buhay natin. Mayroon na silang self-raising flour. So, the recipe will ask for self-raising flour, but it will also ask for plain flour. Usually, pag banana cake, kalahati, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of plain flour. And then it will ask you for baking powder and baking soda pa rin. Pero may self-raising flour. So, itong mixture na to, kakasya siya sa isang ganito. And a banana cake can be rectangle, can be round, can be star shape, can be heart shape, can be any shape whatsoever na gusto nyo. Kaya lang, it has to be deep. It has to be small and deep. Don't bake this banana cake into here. No. Kasi hindi ko isang ginagawa.
Ay, ma'am, dyan mo ginawa yun.
Hindi mo na ulitin next time.
Kung dito mo gagawin, it's very shallow. Hanggang dyan lang siya.
Kasi wala akong kami ibang ano bang ganyan.
Kaya lang ang mangyayari noon, parang siyang cookies. Dry.
Parang
Because it is very thin. Hindi kayo gumagawa ng cookies. So,
para pala
kung wala kayong ganito, di ba sa part and shop, meron yung aluminum foil.
yeah, oo, mayroon.
One use lang yun. Pwede yun, aluminum foil na yun.